Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
आप प्लीज समझाओ हमारे ऑडियंस को what is conscious conception and why is it so crucial for a woman and a man to be aware of it?
Correct. So just to break the term, very simple term, conscious conception, that you are conceiving consciously.
Right.
What does that actually mean? Conscious conception is nothing new. It is all, as you said, rooted in our Vedic sciences, that you are bringing your mind, body, and spirit into alignment to give birth to a child. So, what happens nowadays, modern women and men, we are all living in this cycle of achieving more, doing more, hustle
Right.
culture, and building bigger things for ourselves. However, conscious conception talks about how you should take a pause and create space for your child in your life. How you should look at three basic things is your internal body, that is your mind, your external environment, and your physical body. कि कैसे आप अपने शरीर को नरिश कर रहे हैं, आप अपने शरीर को डिटॉक्स कर रहे हैं, क्लीन कर रहे हैं, and you are ensuring that, as you said in the beginning, that your womb is an optimal healthy space
Yeah.
for the best outcome in terms of the fetal's development and growth.
Right.
The second is your external environment. Nowadays, unfortunately, we live in a place where there is so much of noise pollution, air pollution. There are toxins in the makeup that you use or the skincare that you're using. I was shocked to learn that perfumes have maximum toxins, and I was this major perfume fanatic.
Right.
And then the third thing is that your body, your physical body is loaded with toxins because of packaging in food. Your even utensils have a lot of toxins that you're consuming unknowingly every day.
Right.
So conscious conception talks that take a step back, don't rush into pregnancy, give yourself and your partner 3 months, 3 to 4 months to bring all of your set things essential for a healthy pregnancy.
Yeah.
And a divine pregnancy, because जब आपकी आत्मा शरीर एक alignment में होते, when your mind is calm and your body is healthy, it's like becoming an athlete, right?
Right.
If you want some kind of an outcome, you need to put some kind of an effort. So this is the basic principle of conscious conception, bringing everything into alignment. You have done your parties, you have done your travels, you have brought your career to a point. Now maybe it's just time to create space in your house, not just for the nursery, but for bringing your child into your life. You need to create that space in your mental, physical, and astral body
Right.
to welcome your child and give the child the best outcomes that the child is supposed to. We are responsible for our child's growth, development, and nature se aage we can't go, but we can nurture the child right from preconception.
True.
Not that, oh, I've become pregnant, now what should I do? But take a step back before pregnancy and then go into.
So we had a podcast with Acharya ji.
Ji.
I would like to remind our audience once again,
Sure.
repeat his beautiful words, what he says. He says, हम दिवाली पे इतनी सफाई करते हैं, हमारे घर कोई मेहमान आ रहा होता है, हम घर को साफ करते हैं, बेस्ट क्रॉकरी निकालते हैं, बेस्ट मेन्यू का फूड सर्व करते हैं, इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, खुद अच्छे से तैयार होते हैं, विच इज़ फॉर अ गेस्ट. सो ये जिस डिवाइन आत्मा को हम वेलकम करने जा रहे हैं अपने शरीर में, तो पहले खुद की सफाई करिए, बिकॉज आवर बॉडी इज द टेम्पल इन विच द बेबी इज गोइंग टू कम इन. तो उसको पहले संवारिए, सजाइए, साफ कीजिए.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Mentally, physically, holistically.
Yes.
That's exactly what you are
Correct.
saying, right?
Yes, yes. In this day and age where we are so obsessed with how we look, how we dress, which car we have, which job we have, but the child is actually internally being placed. The seed of your child is internal, and internal is loaded with toxins
Right.
from your environment, from your mental environment,
Ji.
which forms the basis of the genetic markers of your child. So yes, it is really important that we cleanse ourselves both physically and mentally and spiritually before welcoming that divine child जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हैं. Because as I said, I might be repeating myself, but Earth's consciousness is rising and more people are walking on this path of spirituality. We are spiritual beings, but more and more people are asking why I am here. So you are here to connect with the divine and remove this veil that we all forget. हम सब एक आत्मा से जुड़े हुए हैं. That is the divine consciousness. And it is a blessing that you are getting to welcome your child. So I will do everything in my hands to welcome the child. Diwali में इतना कर रहे हैं, you know, then why not? So I completely agree with his thought process, and that's what Vedas taught, teach us.